Are you aware of how internal factors shape a business's success? This video delves into the intricacies of a business's internal environment, revealing its pivotal role in operations and performance. Let's explore the elements that influence a company's internal dynamics. The internal environment of a business encompasses factors that directly impact its daily operations. These include management, employees, systems, and processes, all under the company's control. Organizational culture and stakeholder actions also play significant roles. Understanding these elements is crucial for effective management. Businesses must adapt their internal environment to meet changing needs. A business's internal environment is vital for its success and performance. It influences how the company operates and interacts with stakeholders. Effective management of internal factors can lead to improved productivity and employee engagement. Companies can adapt these elements to align with strategic goals. Ultimately, the internal environment shapes a business's future. Internal factors include the business's mission, vision, and organizational culture. Leadership style, management structure, and workforce are also key components. Technology, financial resources, and policies further shape the internal environment. These elements are within the business's control and can be changed as needed. Effective management of these factors is essential for achieving business objectives. Organizational culture significantly influences a business's internal environment. It encompasses shared values, beliefs, and behaviors that affect operations. A positive culture boosts employee engagement and productivity. Conversely, a negative culture can hinder performance. Businesses must cultivate a culture that supports their goals and enhances overall performance. Measuring a business's internal environment is crucial for identifying strengths and weaknesses. It helps monitor performance and informs decision-making. Understanding organizational culture can lead to a more positive work environment. Stakeholders gain valuable insights into the business's operations. Overall, measurement supports strategic planning and trust building. Various tools exist to analyze a business's internal environment. Gap analysis identifies discrepancies between current operations and goals. Strategy evaluation assesses the effectiveness of strategic plans. SWOT analysis provides insights into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Each tool offers unique perspectives on internal dynamics. Businesses can leverage these tools for strategic advantage. SWOT analysis is a widely used tool for evaluating internal and external factors. It identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analysis helps businesses capitalize on opportunities and mitigate threats. Strengths can be leveraged for growth, while weaknesses are areas for improvement. A comprehensive SWOT analysis guides strategic planning. VRIO analysis evaluates a business's resources and capabilities. It focuses on value, rarity, imitability, and organization. This framework helps identify competitive advantages. Businesses can leverage unique resources for sustained success. VRIO analysis provides insights into how to maintain a competitive edge. Google's success is partly due to its effective use of VRIO analysis. The company excels in human capital management, a key competitive advantage. Google's data-driven approach to employee management is rare and difficult to imitate. This strategy strengthens its internal team and supports sustained success. Google's example illustrates the power of VRIO analysis. TOW's analysis extends the SWOT framework by focusing on actionable strategies. It combines internal strengths and weaknesses with external opportunities and threats. This approach helps businesses develop strategies to reduce threats and exploit opportunities. TOW's analysis bridges the gap between research and strategic direction. It offers a comprehensive view of internal and external dynamics. Quantifying a business's internal environment involves using tools like SWOT analysis. This process identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It provides a framework for assessing internal dynamics and external influences. Businesses can use this information to develop strategies for improvement. Quantification supports informed decision-making and strategic planning. Tesco uses SWOT analysis to evaluate its internal environment. The company identifies strengths like a strong market position and efficient supply chain. Weaknesses include dependence on the UK market and high debt levels. Opportunities for growth and threats from competition are also considered. Tesco's SWOT analysis guides its strategic planning and decision-making. Assessing a business's internal environment involves examining resources and capabilities. Methods include SWOT analysis, value chain analysis, and competitor analysis. These tools identify strengths and weaknesses for strategic advantage. A thorough assessment informs decisions and enhances performance. Businesses can leverage insights to achieve their goals. McKinsey's 7S framework focuses on organizational design and change management. It examines 7 elements: structure, strategy, system, shared values, skill, style, and staff. These elements interact to drive change and performance. The framework highlights the importance of shared values in organizational success. McKinsey's 7S provides a comprehensive approach to managing change. Value chain analysis identifies improvement opportunities. It evaluates activities that add or subtract value in a business. The analysis covers stages from research to after-sales services. Businesses can enhance efficiency and differentiation through this approach. Value chain analysis supports strategic planning and value creation. The value chain consists of activities involved in creating a product or service. It includes research, sales, and everything in between. Analyzing these processes helps identify areas for improvement. Businesses can maximize value creation and competitive advantage. Understanding the value chain is key to strategic success. The value chain comprises primary and support activities. Primary activities include logistics, operations, and marketing. Support activities enhance efficiency and competitive advantage. These components work together to create value for customers. A well-managed value chain is crucial for business success. Conducting a value chain analysis involves evaluating each activity's contribution to value. It helps identify cost reduction and product differentiation opportunities. Businesses can improve efficiency by focusing on key activities. Value chain analysis supports strategic decision-making. It helps businesses enhance their competitive position. Applying McKinsey's 7S framework involves analyzing structure, strategy, and other elements. This approach helps manage organizational change effectively. Shared values play a central role in driving change. Businesses can align these elements for improved performance. McKinsey's 7S supports strategic alignment and success. Understanding a business's internal environment is crucial for success. Tools like SWOT and McKinsey's 7S offer valuable insights. By leveraging these frameworks, businesses can adapt and thrive. Effective management of internal factors supports strategic goals. A well-analyzed internal environment drives performance and growth.